Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, how to disable breakpoints in Selenium IDE. Let me answer. In Selenium IDE, there's an option to disable the breakpoints. So, before going there, what exactly are these breakpoints? In Selenium IDE, in the automation test, we are going to specify these breakpoints so that we can pass the test execution for debugging purpose. That's the purpose of the breakpoints. And if you want to run some tests by disabling these breakpoints, okay, without the test getting passed in the debugging mode while the tests are running, even though the breakpoints are provided, in that case, we can simply disable the breakpoints. For that, there is an option in Selenium IDE that I'm going to practically demonstrate now. So first, I'll open this browser, open one sample application, click on the Selenium IDE and create a new project, give project name. Okay, start the recording. Here we have to give the application URL, copy this URL and give it here and say start recording. So the recording started. Maximize this browser. Now click on this button. For sample, I'm just recording a sample script. Right click and say Selenium IDE verify present. Okay, some steps I recorded here. Stop the recording and give the test one name. Okay, sample name. Now let's say at the step 2, I would like to add a breakpoint. Why do we have to add the breakpoints to the steps in Selenium IDE? So that for debugging purpose, okay, it will pass for debugging purpose. Okay, while running this test, the test execution will stop at this particular line. It will pass for debugging purpose. Okay, let's add the breakpoint. This is another way to add the breakpoint. Either you can right click and say toggle breakpoint, or you can just click here. It will be selected. This option coming means a breakpoint has been added. So without disabling this breakpoint, if I run this, the test will pass. Okay, the test will pass in the debugger mode at this line 2. Okay, so it got passed at the line 2. And again, I have to say step over, or click on this so that it will be executed completely. This is the process. What if I want to run this, but I would like to disable this? I don't want to remove this debugging point, but I would like to disable it. Okay, so for that, I'll select one of the step and say, sometimes it comes. Okay, not working. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't work, guys. Okay, just do something here and there, it will work. And I don't know what is the problem with Selenium IDE, but that's happening. So that's the way to overcome it. Okay, just select here and there, and it will get enabled. Select this. You see now the breakpoint got disabled. The breakpoint got disabled. Now if you run this, the test will not pass because the breakpoint got disabled. Okay, disabled means it will not work, right? It didn't get deleted, but it got disabled. Again, if you want to enable it, just select this, it will get enabled. This time again, when you run, the test will pass for debugging purpose in the line 2. Okay, so hope guys you got an idea about this option known as disable breakpoint option. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.